Do you feel like you don't speak enough Romanian? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and fluency fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. Today, we'll learn conversational phrases about occupations. After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about your job and ask what somebody does for a living. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Cu ce te ocupi?
Sunt un artist.
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
Cu ce te ocupi?
What do you do?
Sunt un artist.
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, what do you do? That's.
Cu ce te ocupi?
Listen to it again.
Cu ce te ocupi? Cu ce te ocupi?
This Romanian sentence literally translates into, what do you do for work? But it means, what do you do in English? Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
Sunt.
Your occupation. I'm an, your occupation. For example, I'm an artist.
Sunt un artist. Sunt un artist.
Here are a few more professions you can use with the same pattern. Police officer.
Polițist. Polițist.
Polițistă. Polițistă.
Teacher.
Profesor. Profesor.
Profesoară. Profesoară.
Doctor.
Doctor. Doctor.
Doctoriță. Doctoriță.
Engineer.
Inginer. Inginer.
Ingineră. Ingineră.
Now, listen to some examples.
Cu ce te ocupi?
Sunt profesor.
Cu ce te ocupi?
Sunt doctor.
Cu ce te ocupi?
Sunt inginer.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, what do you do?
Cu ce te ocupi?
Imagine you're a doctor. Do you remember how to say, doctor?
Doctor. Doctor.
Say, I'm a doctor.
Sunt doctor.
Now answer the question saying that you are a doctor.
Cu ce te ocupi?
Sunt doctor.
Now, imagine you're a teacher. Do you remember how to say teacher?
Profesor. Profesor.
Say, I'm a teacher.
Sunt profesor.
Now, answer the question saying that you are a teacher.
Cu ce te ocupi?
Sunt profesor.
Now, imagine you're an engineer. Do you remember how to say engineer?
Inginer. Inginer.
Say, I'm an engineer.
Sunt inginer.
Now, answer the question saying that you are an engineer.
Cu ce te ocupi?
Sunt inginer.
Well done! In this lesson, you learn new occupation-related vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life. You are now able to talk about your job like a native speaker. Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Cum se simte mama ta? Este bine.
Once more with the English translation.
Cum se simte mama ta?
How's your mother?
Este bine.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's,
Cum se simte mama ta?
listen to it again.
Cum se simte mama ta? Cum se simte mama ta?
This Romanian sentence literally means, how is feeling your mother? But it translates as, how's your mother in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Este
state of well-being. But it translates as, she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
Este bine. Este bine.
Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great,
Excelent. Excelent.
fine,
Bine. Bine.
so-so,
Așa și așa. Așa și așa.
sad,
Trist. Trist. Tristă. Tristă.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Cum se simte mama ta? Este excelent. Cum se simte mama ta? Este așa și așa. Cum se simte mama ta? Este tristă.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, how's your mother?
Cum se simte mama ta?
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say, great?
Excelent. Excelent.
Say, she's great.
Este excelent.
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
Cum se simte mama ta? Este excelent.
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
Așa și așa. Așa și așa.
Say, she's so-so.
Este așa și așa.
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
Cum se simte mama ta? Este așa și așa.
Now imagine she's sad. Do you remember how to say sad?
Trist. Trist.
Say, she's sad.
Este tristă.
Now, answer the question saying she's sad.
Cum se simte mama ta? Este tristă.
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, what's the matter? After watching this video, you'll be able to make complaints and ask someone else if they're having any issues. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Este totul în regulă?
Biroul este înăbușitor.
Once more with the English translation.
Este totul în regulă?
What's the matter?
Biroul este înăbușitor.
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's the matter? That's,
Este totul în regulă?
listen to it again.
Este totul în regulă? Este totul în regulă?
This Romanian sentence literally translates into, is everything all right? But it means, what's the matter in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Biroul este,
adjective. The office is adjective. For example, the office is hot.
biroul este înăbușitor. Biroul este înăbușitor.
Here are a few more examples you can use with the same pattern to make complaints. Hot,
Înăbușitor. Înăbușitor.
cold,
Friguros. Friguros.
dark,
Întunecos. Întunecos.
dirty,
Murdar. Murdar.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Este totul în regulă? Biroul este friguros. Este totul în regulă? Biroul este întunecos. Este totul în regulă? Biroul este murdar.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, "What's the matter?"
Este totul în regulă?
Imagine the office is cold. Do you remember how to say cold?
Friguros. Friguros.
Say, the office is cold.
Biroul este friguros.
Now answer the question saying the office is cold.
Este totul în regulă? Biroul este friguros.
Now imagine the office is dark. Do you remember how to say dark?
Întunecos. Întunecos.
Say, the office is dark.
Biroul este întunecos.
Now answer the question saying the office is dark.
Este totul în regulă? Biroul este întunecos.
Now imagine the office is dirty. Do you remember how to say dirty?
Murdar. Murdar.
Say, the office is dirty.
Biroul este murdar.
Now answer the question saying the office is dirty.
Este totul în regulă? Biroul este murdar.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to make complaints. You are now able to share your concerns like a native speaker. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to ask and answer the question, how do you say this? After watching this video, you'll be able to ask someone how a word is pronounced. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Cum se spune la aceasta?
Se spune parcare.
Once more with the English translation.
Cum se spune la aceasta?
How do you say this?
Se spune parcare.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how do you say this? That's,
Cum se spune la aceasta?
listen to it again.
Cum se spune la aceasta? Cum se spune la aceasta?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Se spune
word. This Romanian sentence literally translates into it is said word, but it means it's word in English. For example, it's parking lot.
Se spune parcare. Se spune parcare.
Here are a few useful words you can use with the same pattern. Parking lot,
Parcare. Parcare.
giraffe,
Girafă. Girafă.
travel,
Călătorie. Călătorie.
invasion,
Invazie. Invazie.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Cum se spune la aceasta?
Se spune girafă.
Cum se spune la aceasta?
Se spune călătorie.
Cum se spune la aceasta?
Se spune invazie.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, how do you say this?
Cum se spune la aceasta?
Imagine it's the word giraffe. Do you remember how to say giraffe?
Girafă. Girafă.
Say, it's giraffe.
Se spune girafă.
Now answer the question saying, it's giraffe.
Cum se spune la aceasta?
Se spune girafă.
Now imagine the word is travel. Do you remember how to say travel?
Călătorie. Călătorie.
Say, it's travel.
Se spune călătorie.
Now, answer the question saying it's travel.
Cum se spune la aceasta?
Se spune călătorie.
Now imagine the word is invasion. Do you remember how to say invasion?
Invazie. Invazie.
Say, it's invasion.
Se spune invazie.
Now answer the question saying it's invasion.
Cum se spune la aceasta?
Se spune invazie.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to ask someone how something is said. You are now able to ask how to say something like a native speaker. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, what's your favorite number? After watching this video, you'll be able to say many numbers and ask someone their favorite number. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Care este numărul tău favorit? Este numărul 7.
Once more with the English translation.
Care este numărul tău favorit?
What's your favorite number?
Este numărul 7.
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's your favorite number? That's,
Care este numărul tău favorit?
listen to it again.
Care este numărul tău favorit? Care este numărul tău favorit?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Este numărul
number. This Romanian sentence literally translates into it's number, number, but it means it's number. For example, it's 7.
Este numărul 7. Este numărul 7.
Here are a few more numbers you can use with the same pattern. 7,
7. 7.
2,
2. 2.
4,
4. 4.
9,
9. 9.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Care este numărul tău favorit? Este numărul 2. Care este numărul tău favorit? Este numărul 4. Care este numărul tău favorit? Este numărul 9.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, "What's your favorite number?"
Care este numărul tău favorit?
Imagine it's 2. Do you remember how to say 2?
2. 2.
Say, "It's 2.
Este numărul 2.
Now answer the question saying, "It's 2.
Care este numărul tău favorit? Este numărul 2.
Now imagine it's 4. Do you remember how to say 4?
4. 4.
Say, "It's 4.
Este numărul 4.
Now, answer the question by saying, "It's 4.
Care este numărul tău favorit? Este numărul 4.
Now, imagine it's 9. Do you remember how to say 9?
9. 9.
Say, "It's 9.
Este numărul 9.
Now, answer the question saying, "It's 9.
Care este numărul tău favorit? Este numărul 9.
In this lesson, you learned number-related phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about numbers. You are now able to count like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us your favorite number. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.